Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about air fryers, specifically budget-friendly options for those who want crispy, healthy eats without breaking the bank. We're diving into 5 air fryers all priced under $35. Yes, you read that right, to see if you can truly achieve air fryer magic on a shoestring budget. Before we jump in, a quick disclaimer: while these are all very affordable options, keep in mind that they might have limitations compared to pricier models. We'll be discussing those throughout the video. Now let's get frying. Number 1. Black & Decker 4-Slice Crisp and Bake Air Fry. This isn't exactly a traditional air fryer, but it boasts an air fry function alongside other functionalities like baking, broiling, and toasting. It's a great multitasker for smaller kitchens. User experience. This is a good option for those who want an air fryer that can do more than just air fry. The capacity is decent for a toaster oven, but keep in mind you won't be able to fit large quantities of food. The controls are simple with knobs, and the price is attractive. However, achieving perfectly crispy results might be a challenge compared to dedicated air fryers. Number 2. EAF 3218BL Personal 1.1 QT Air Fryer. This is a true air fryer but on a very small scale. It's perfect for singles or couples looking for a compact option for small batches. User experience. This air fryer is tiny but mighty. It heats up quickly and is great for single servings of fries, veggies, or even small protein items. The temperature and timer controls are user-friendly, and the non-stick basket makes cleaning a breeze. However, the limited capacity might not be ideal for families or those who like to cook in bulk. Number 3. Bella 2 Quartz Manual Air Fryer. Similar to the Black & Decker option, this Bella appliance is a multi-cooker with an air fry function. It offers a slightly larger capacity than the Black & Decker and boasts 5 cooking settings. User experience. This is another space-saving option that offers some versatility. The 2-quart capacity allows for slightly larger batches compared to the mini air fryers. The manual controls might require some experimentation to achieve the desired results, and the cleaning process might be a bit trickier with more components. Number 4. EAF 1121 Personal 1.1 QT Air Fryer. This is another mini air fryer very similar to the EAF 3218BL. It has the same capacity and features with a slightly different design. User experience. Here, you're choosing between 2 very similar mini air fryers. The EAF 1121 offers the same benefits and drawbacks as the EAF 3218BL. Perfect for small portions and easy cleaning, but limited in capacity. Number 5 13.5 5-quart air fryer. This one seems a little out of place. A 5-quart air fryer with a ceramic coating and window for under $35 sounds too good to be true. Unfortunately, it probably is. Air fryers with those features typically cost significantly more. It's best to be cautious of deals that seem unrealistic.